while I was scrolling at my WhatsApp and I noticed that my images and my videos are not saved inside my gallery or in iPhone photos. So I have to manually save one by one. Is there a way for you to save them automatically? That means the moment you click, it's saved inside our galleries and you can check in the gallery. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically save photos and videos from WhatsApp inside your gallery. There's two ways you can do it. I'm going to show you in my phone later. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me go to my phone and let me show you how you can automatically save photos and videos from WhatsApp to your phone gallery. Let's go. Alright, let's open up your WhatsApp app, and this is how you can save your photo or videos from your WhatsApp to gallery directly. There's two ways you can do it. One at the whole settings, another one is only at the individual chat level. I'm going to show you at the whole settings level first. That means once you do the setting, it will automatically save any image, video or documents into the gallery. So let me show you where to do it. Okay, go to settings, go to chats, and then you can see here save to photos. So you can see here automatically save photos and videos you receive to photos. For iPhone, it is called photos. For Android, I think it's called gallery. So it's similar thing. So once you click here, that means automatically any photos and video will be saved inside your photos or gallery. So this is for a general settings. But sometimes you want to manually save it instead of you having everything saved into your gallery, because sometimes your gallery will have a lot of pictures from WhatsApp. That's why some people disable it. I put it disabled. Okay, that's one way for the whole WhatsApp settings level. Now how about individual level? Okay, so for example, I want to go testing only, right? Just click on testing only. So I want to save this. Manually, we're supposed to click on that save icon at the bottom and then click save. That is manually. But what if you want automatically? You just have to click, for example, on the chat itself at the top right, at the middle, top middle, click on testing only, and then you can scroll down. You should be able to see here save to photos. Another reminder, in iPhone it's called photos, in other places it might be called gallery. Click on this. There's three options. You can default, which is turned off, so you have to manually save. You can click always. It means automatically it will automatically save into your gallery of photos, or never. So there's three options. I just put as default. So default is a setting that you set on the settings, the whole WhatsApp settings level. Yeah, a bit confusing, but basically there's two ways to do it. So that's how you can automatically save photos and videos from WhatsApp directly to your gallery or to your photos if you're using iPhone.